Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create a YouTube channel trailer. You can customize the layout for your YouTube channel so that viewers can view your channel trailer, featured video, and featured sections when they get to your channel homepage. To create a channel for people who haven't subscribed, now I'm going here in my laptop. So what you're going to do is go to the YouTube studio, and as you can see on the left part, you will see here customization. Just press that, and here there is a choice that channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. You can share a preview of your channel shown with people who haven't subscribed. So you can customize the layout of your YouTube channel so that viewers can view your channel, featured video, and feature sections when they get to your channel homepage. So just press add, and then for example, I'm gonna choose this one. And just on the right part, just press the publish. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!